Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Lava mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use Wi-Fi setting in Lava mobile. Friends, you want to use Lava mobile phone Wi-Fi setting, so how to use one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Lava mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava mobile. Friends, on your Lava mobile click here Wi-Fi setting, and Wi-Fi setting is off. So first of all Wi-Fi setting. After on Wi-Fi setting, refresh your Wi-Fi setting. After refresh Wi-Fi setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava mobile. So friends, select your Wi-Fi network, which network you have you want to connect with your Lava mobile. So friends, I have Mukesh Wi-Fi network, and friends I will enter password first. My Wi-Fi password is 1234 at the rate, and friends you can check your password from here. Friends, click here connect option, and friends Wi-Fi will connect after 4 and 5 seconds. And friends, now you can use your Wi-Fi network in your Lava mobile. So friends, you want to use YouTube app, you want to on Instagram app, so you can on and you can use on your Lava mobile. So like that friends, you can connect Wi-Fi network and you can use in your Lava mobile. Friends, you have Instagram, you have WhatsApp app, you can use WhatsApp app, you have Instagram, then friends you can start Instagram app and you can use it. So like that friends, we can connect Wi-Fi network and we can use it. Friends, again open your phone setting, Wi-Fi setting, click here right side. Friends, you want to disconnect Wi-Fi network, you can disconnect Wi-Fi network. After disconnect network friends, scroll. Friends, you can check save network, click here, and friends you can check save network here, and you want to connect again this network. Friends, click here, Wi-Fi will connect again in your device connected. Friends, you want to share Wi-Fi network, you can share Wi-Fi network. You want to forget Wi-Fi network, after forget. And once you want to remove save network, so friends click here and forget, save network will remove. Friends, you can see there is no any save network. And once you want to add any Wi-Fi network, you can add and you can connect. And friends, you can check your Lava mobile Wi-Fi data uses from here. Select date, and friends you can check your Wi-Fi data uses from here. So like that friends, we can check Wi-Fi data uses in Lava mobile. And friends, you want to connect any Wi-Fi network with QR code, so friends click here scanner, scan QR code, and you can connect any Wi-Fi network in your Lava mobile. So like that friends, we can use Wi-Fi setting, we can set up Wi-Fi in Lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. Friends, now to give in doubt friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.